clip of Kabza and Porribo playing, and the crowd was just literally just dead still in London.
In Morocco?
In London.
Really?
There's no in London.
There is a clip that's trending.
I think that's what Mac was speaking about it.
Yes. Literally, the crowd was just standing there, not feeling whatever they were playing. Because why?
I believe him.
They are playing exclusive songs that people don't know.
People
That's
don't
the
really
reason
like
why
exclusive
the
piano
crowd was
and
just
private
not-
piano. People
yes.
like mainstream piano because
That's
even
why
I'm
they
a
still
fan of
listen
mainstream
to
instead of private.
Yeah,
They love.
I saw even in Premier League teams, Premier League teams are still listening to.
They like about
piano song. And that's what's hot to them.
They like those kind of songs. Yes,
To them,
yes,
it's because
yes.
Mapuma hasn't arrived yet.
Yes, but I'm only Limit Crazy. They still jamming to Limit Crazy. Yeah.
Do you know the weird thing about Morocco is you have to pay for your bottles before you actually get your table. So you pay as you're getting in the line of getting into the club. You pick the bottle that you want, you get it, that's when you get into the